back to my channel. It's your girl Nas, and I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. Alright guys, so I have been holding my clothes hostage, and by hostage I mean I bought some new clothes, like work clothes, casual, you know, in the house kind of clothes, and also like going out clothes. And I bought these last month, like we're in July now when I'm filming this, and I bought these in June, and they have just been sitting in my closet in the bag because I wanted to do a haul for you guys to show you, like, you know, just give you an idea of what Japanese clothing look like, and you know, so on and so forth. And because I wanted to film this haul and I was not getting a chance to, the clothes have just been sitting there. I haven't been wearing them. I've been wanting to wear them because there are some really comfortable pieces in there, but because I did not get around to filming this video, they have just been sitting. So today in this video I'll be sharing with you some Japanese fashion pieces. Now I realize that summertime is the best time to shop in Japan, and why I say that is because, like, in summertime things are more like casual, and I see mostly westernized clothing in the Japanese clothing stores here in the summertime and in the springtime. Autumn and winter, the clothes are old-fashioned, old-looking by our standards. Let me take off these glasses because it's reflecting. By our standards, like from the western side of the world, it's their fashion, so of course they enjoy it and they're happy when certain things come out. But usually I don't shop in the Japanese clothing stores because, one, my size, you know what, I'm not going to complain about my size. My size is there because I am small-ish, so I can find my size in Japanese clothing. But some of the time I do have to get like extra large, like double XL or so on, for things to fit me comfortably, because as you know, majority of the Japanese population are, you know, petite kind of people. However, I realized that going into the stores during spring and summer, I am able to pick up pieces that I absolutely love, and they're 100% Japanese fashion. And so I wanted to share with you some of the pieces that I got in these Japanese stores. Now I mainly shop at 3 or 4 stores here in Japan, and they are just like GU, Shimamura, which is my absolute favorite store. I feel like Shimamura has all different kinds of clothes. They're not just subjected to Japanese fashion, and I love that about them. And they're also very cheap. They're the cheapest of them all. So I shop at GU, Shimamura. I also shop at Honey's. Honey's is one of those nice stores where I can go to get like work clothing, and from time to time I'll stop at Uniqlo. Now Uniqlo is very Japan fashion based, so I often don't get stuff from Uniqlo, but once in a while I like to go there. Actually, maybe 2 or so of the pieces that I'm going to show you in today's video are from Uniqlo, so stay tuned for that. Apart from those stores, I don't think I shop in Japanese clothing stores that much any at all. I usually do like almost all of my shopping clothing wise online. Maybe not just even clothing wise, but everything. Like I'm always on Amazon. I'm always on Amazon US. I'm always on Amazon JP. I'm on Wish. I'm on AliExpress. I'm on Shein. I'm on all of the online stores, guys. And that is why, you know, in my video where I say that Jamaica is lacking good online shopping, like that is what I mean when I say I cannot live in Jamaica anymore, because the online shopping thing will just stress me out, because that is really where I do most of my shopping. Well, enough, it's been like what, a few minutes into the video, and I have not shown you a piece of clothing here. So let's just jump into this bag. I have a big bag here. It's from GU. So majority of the clothing pieces in this bag is actually from GU, but I did pick up some stuff from like Uniqlo and so on. I did not pick up anything from Shimamura at this time. And I do have my receipt here, like maybe, well, this is not the entire receipt. This is just for like extra stuff that I got. So all of this I did not buy one time. Actually, it was over a period of time last month. However, I still left the tags on them, so I'll be able to like tell you what the cost is. So the first clothing item that I have is this lounge dress, and this is what it should look like. when you try it on. I will actually insert clips over my video while I am talking so that you guys can see how these fit me. I got this in a size medium and it was from Uniqlo for 990 yen. So guys, whenever I go into these clothing stores, let me grab my scissors. Whenever I go into these clothing stores, I am always like in the cheap aisle because, honey, we're about saving coins, alright? Not spending all of them. Yo, this is a very long dress. I was not expecting it to be this long. I want it to be short and neat and nice. However, it looks like this. Oh, very, very big, guys. Like, I'm going to have to like sleep in this. I really had an idea to wear this like in the house, you know, a nice little comfortable dress. The material is soft though. The material is very soft. But I am figuring that majority of the clothes that I buy here in Japan, I am a size medium. So usually I just go into the stores and I just pick up something medium. Or if it looks like it's going to be too tight, I'll pick up like a large. But obviously I needed to get a small in this because it is so long. The next thing I got was this cute little shirt. It's like, you know, one side has this strap and then this little spaghetti strap. I think it's cute, and this is something that Western people or Western ladies would definitely wear. And to be honest, this is not something I could see a Japanese wearing just because it has like, you know, exposure right here. But as I said, summertime is the best time to shop, and I got this in an extra large, guys. And this is this was a mistake. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I thought I picked up something else or something, but I know this is going to be extra big. As usual, I am going to like insert a clip over your screen on me wearing this top, but I think this is definitely too big for me. I may have to go to the seamstress and like get this thing altered because this is a very nice top and I want to wear it, and I ain't gonna wear anything that's like swallowing me up. Alright, so, and this top was for what? 990 yen as well in GU. So, if you want cheap clothing here in Japan, 990 yen is usually the sweet spot. You know, every country have their own, you know, specific unique number for things. In Japan it's 990 yen. In Jamaica I have no idea what that is, but I heard that in Canada it's like 24.99. Comment down below if your country has like a unique money that they have for like cheap items or majority of the things. I want to know. Alright, so the next item is this blouse here, and of course I'll insert it on your screen too, but this is actually a work top, so I needed, you know, some new work clothing pieces. So I saw these and I thought it was very like cool for the summer. It's white, so it can be matched with a number of other stuff that I have in my closet and so on. So I decided to pick it up, and again this was 990 yen. Alright guys, so tell me what you think about all of these pieces though. Like, tell me if you are like liking the Japanese fashion, well, the Japanese summer fashion, or you would like have a hard pass on them. Now, next is this blouse here, guys. It has a little ruffle business going on at the bottom here and a little string here. I'm not sure if this is supposed to like style it or it's just supposed to like go down. I don't know. I also think that this is a blouse that I could see Western people wearing because it's like a nice little casual blouse. And to be honest, when I see these pieces, I do not think about Japanese. I don't see them wearing this. Like, Japanese clothing are usually very long like to your ankle, very like long sleeve and so on, very like big fitting and so on. So like when I see these petite pieces, I'm like, I have to get my hands on these because these are only available in summertime and maybe spring if I am lucky. So I paid $1,490 for this top, and I got it in a size medium from GU. So unfortunately I won't be able to like link all of these pieces for you if you guys would have been interested in them anyway, because I bought them in store in Japan. So if any of my if any of my yardy peeps living in Japan sees this video and are interested in buying any of these, then you know where to go to find them. GU, Uniqlo. Alright, so next up is this black and white work top, and as I said, it comes with the little tie in front that you can like tie in a bow right here and so on. And as I said, guys, again, I do not think of Japanese people when I see like tops like this, because to me that's just not their style. It's more of a Western people's style. So of course when I saw this, I had to get it because I need work clothes anyway, and this was like cute, and it's black and white, so of course it can be mixed with different things in my closet. And I also got it in white as well. I think the white one had a medium size, so I did get the medium in the white, but very cute. It's sleeveless, so I have to wear like a cardigan or a jacket, or maybe just like a white top, like a casual basic white undershirt that like stops right here, and then it could possibly like just blend right into the style. So if you want to see me actually wear these pieces out and about, maybe you should consider following me on Instagram, because that is where I post like my daily activities and like stuff, and like we have a whole lot of fun on Instagram stories and all of that every day. So if you're not yet following me on Instagram, guys, please do consider following me. I'll have my handle right down here at the bottom of your screen. Okay, next is this pajama. I love a good pajama, because guess what, your girl loves to sleep. So this is what the pajama looks like, guys. It's just a dress, and like I said, you'll see when I try these on, like in the Japanese culture, their clothes are so long that like they don't wear short clothes. So this pajama lounge dress was for 1,990 yen, and I got it in GU. GU has a nice selection of pajamas. Like whenever I want pajamas, I either go to Shimamura or I go to GU, because they're usually nice. Like Shimamura's pajamas are cheap and nice and cute. GU's pajamas are cute and expensive, but you know, you have to have a mix, high end, low end in your closet. Okay. All right, next up is like this casual t-shirt, just a plain and simple t-shirt, and I really bought this for like wearing in the house and so on, because I realized that, guys, like I'm trying to revamp my closet, because all of the clothes that is in my closet, like as of right now, I've had them for years. Like they're years, like, and I continuously say, like, people always tell me, Natty, you're getting fat, or Natty, you look like you put on weight, and I'm like, that's not what my clothes be telling me, because my clothes from 6 years ago still fit me the same. Like even this top that I have on, guys, and it's not even weird looking or tight or anything. I've had this for years. Actually, I am going to like search my Facebook page and see like the first step, because I remember the occasion that I bought this. I bought this for a Mother's Day when me and my mother was going to the movies. That's when I bought this set and a red skirt. So I'm going to go back to my Facebook photos and look for the year in which I purchased this blouse, and it still fits me perfectly today. And all of the clothes in my closet, like I've had them for years, 4 years, 6 years, 3 years, all of that stuff, and they still fit me perfectly. So like I may be looking bigger, but my clothes still fit. And because I've had them so long, guys, I realized that, you know what, it's time for me to get into 2020 and have new clothes. So I'm like slowly revamping my closet, and clothes that I wear in the yard, like in Jamaica we call that judging clothes or yard clothes, because you know you wear it in the yard. Yeah, I realized that they're mostly stuff that maybe I don't like anymore to wear out. So my house clothes are usually clothes that I had that I was wearing out, like going out and so on, that I don't really want to wear out anymore. I just transfer them into like house clothes and yard clothes and so on. And I've had them for years, as I said, so I just want to like revamp it a little at a time. So I bought this casual little simple blouse to do exactly that. I bought it for 990 yen in GU, and it's a size medium. Alright, next is another work top, and it's similar to the white one, only in a different color. This is like a beigeish brownish color. So same top as the white one for work. and as I said, it was for 990 yen, and this one is in a size small because as you can see it's a bit like flowy, so I didn't want it too baggy on me. I wanted it to fit like nice, so I got it in a size small. I did try this on before because as I said, I would not usually pick up a size small, but because it looked so big and flowy, I decided to try it on before I actually bought it, and the small fit perfectly. So 990 yen. And you see guys, like the work clothing in GU is affordable because $990, 990 yen, and you can get like a good nice work top. I like the pants. I'm getting to the pants soon. Alright, next up is pants, and I have to speak about the pants here in Japan because the pants are something else here. It's nothing like the work pants that we have in Jamaica at all. So this is the next item, and this is just a brown work pants. I bought it because I only have like two work pants, a white one and a black one, and that black one I've had it for like 2 years, and it's kind of on the wear and tear end of the spectrum, so I need to like stock up on bottoms for work. I have tops and I'm getting tops, but I have like no bottoms. I have a few skirts that I've had for like 4 years, as I told you, and I need to get them out of my closet, so I'm just revamping everything. This is, so pants in Japan, like work pants, almost always have like this stretchy thing going on for the waist. They do not fit snug and tight and sexy as a Jamaican work pants would, or Caribbean, or even just Western in general. Like the pants fitting in the Western end of the world compared to in the Asian, Japan in this example, they don't fit that well. They're not made that well. It's like baggy at the crotch area and all of that stuff. But you know what, those are the only types of pants I've seen. So I find myself like looking at other persons who I work with, like the type of pants they're wearing, and just to see if it is anything similar to what I'm used to back in Jamaica, so that I can ask them where they bought their pants, because I'm interested, like why am I wearing a pants with stretchy waist like this? And maybe it's good, but I don't like it. I like the nice snug fitting work pants. Alright, and Japan is not giving that. I can't even wear a belt with this, so if it's big, anyway, tell me what you guys think about this pants, guys. What am I saying? Tell me what you guys think about this pants after you see me try it on for you guys. Alright, the next item is this nice dress, and it's white, so I hope that it's going to show properly on camera. It's white and it has a little detail like right here. Of course, when I try it on you will see it, but it has a little tie detail right here, and it also has a split going to the tie. Now when I look at when you see like a tie something and a split, like you have to like wonder which country you're in, because it could never be Japan. It could never be Japan with things with split. You're crazy. So I was very intrigued with this dress and I had to get it. I actually paid 1,490 yen for this, and it's in a size medium, and it's from GU. And when I saw this, I'm like, hell yes, I am getting this, and I want to wear this out. But what I did notice, guys, when I tried it on, is that the split comes up right, like when you put it on, if you don't have on like a biker shorts or something, the split goes up right up. The split goes right up to your waist, so you'll definitely need to wear like a biker shorts or something under it. As a matter of fact, the poster that they had in GU displaying this actual dress, the Japanese model had on like a very baggy pants under it, and I'm like, okay, that's a Japanese fashion, that's the way they dress. They will wear a dress with a pants, and that is not okay at all, but it's their culture, so it's fine. But as for me, I would not wear this with a jeans pants, or I would not wear it with a pants, and I would not wear it with a skirt. I would wear this exactly as it is. I'd wear it as a dress, but I would wear like a biker shorts under. You know, biker shorts, they fit snug on your thigh and all of that. So yeah, like a white biker shorts would blend right. It would blend so good with this white dress, or a black one, or maybe a red one if it's Valentine's Day. But you can mix it up based on what your taste is. But I would say not wear this with a pants or a skirt. I would say wear it with a nice petite biker shorts. Yeah, so I want to get a biker shorts at Shimamura maybe over this weekend. Alright, the next thing, and we are winding down, is just a casual t-shirt to wear in the house. I already explained to you my yard clothes kind of situation, so this is just another like casual top that I want to wear in and around the house, and it is a size medium from GU for 990 yen. So that is the cheapest you can get clothes here, guys. 990 and ready. 990 and one. Yeah, give me 990 and one. Alright, if you're Jamaican, you understand exactly what I just did. Alright guys, so here's the dress now. The dress that I showed you earlier, the pink dress that I said I got too big and it looked weird. Like, this is it in black. And look at it. Like, when I try this on, you're going to just see, because I have my face like did and all of that. I don't have makeup on. Like, people seem to be so surprised with my skincare, but I hope it stays like this forever. So this dress is the same as the pink one that I showed you in black, and I actually got the right size this time. This is a size medium, so I'll insert the clip on your screen of me in it, and guys, please tell me how it looks, because I love, like, these dresses are my favorite purchases. The dress and the ruffle bottom blouse were my favorite purchases. And as I said, I did get the dress in all the colors that they were selling them in. So this is like a brown one, like khaki-ish color. In Jamaica, the schoolboys wear like khaki pants, so the khaki color. So yeah, this is the same dress in that color. Of course, I'll insert it on your screen, and the dress is for 1,990 yen. I did mention that. Just 3 more items left, guys. Alright, so next, I think these are just like casual work, casual house clothes, like a few more of the t-shirts that I showed you. Once I found out like the size that would work for me, I think I just picked up a few more in a few different colors and so on. So I think that's what these are. Yeah, so just casual reddish, it's like a burnt orangish kind of color, so just simple for me to wear like in and around the house. This was for 590 yen. So okay, so this was in like the sale rack, so I guess it was marked down from like 990 to 590 yen. But the thing is, the prices here in Japan always end with 90. So yeah, this is this top, and I got it of course in a medium, and I bought it from GU. So majority of the clothing pieces are from GU, and the second to last piece is another of the same top but in a different color. So this is like a purpley color, and yeah, 590 size medium GU. And the very last item is a set of camisole, so underblouse, and this is a set of 3. This is a set of 3 underblouses. I actually only have like maybe 2 blouses that I can wear under like my work shirt and so on. So I needed to stock up on more. So the good thing about GU is that underwear, so like panties for females, and like underwear for men, and like bras, and like tights, like what you wear under your clothes, and like undershirts like these, they sell in packages. So it is usually a package of like 3 or 4. Underwears are the same too. So nice like regular underblouse that you can wear underneath your clothes. I did get this in extra large, and I don't know why I did that, but I guess because I wanted to tuck in. Like, I wouldn't wear this and like leave it out and then put something. I would like tuck it in nice and clean and dandy in my clothes, and then put whatever I'm putting over it. So I guess that's why I got extra large. Like, guys, sometimes I surprise myself when I get home. I'm like, why in the hell I would buy something that's extra large and I know that's not my color. My camera just stopped like in the middle of me recording. So yeah, this is it in gray, and I also have it in black. So that is the end of this haul, guys, and I have the receipts in here. So the very first time I went and bought a bunch of stuff in GU, I spent this amount of money. Like, is my camera even going to see? Like 18,887 yen. like almost 20,000 yen in clothes. But I got a lot of pieces and I'm still not done shopping because, as you know, as I said, I'm revamping my closet. And then in Uniqlo, the few pieces that I showed you that I got from Uniqlo, I paid 4,378 yen. And I did stop at GU one more time till I pick up maybe 2 or 3 things. Actually 3 things, it says on the report, and I paid 4,367. Yeah, so you can do the calculation of all those 3 receipts and really realize like how much money I spent on clothes last month. And I'm so not done yet because, as I said, my closet needs to be redone. So I'm actually going to do a whole closet clean out video with you guys. So if you're interested in that, give this video a thumbs up so I know that you want to see that video. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, comment Japanese fashion in the comment box below so I know that you stuck with me to the end of this video. That is it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. There are more coming because I'm going to be shopping till I'm dropping online on all the things, so more hauls are definitely coming. I do hope you enjoyed this one though, you know, the whole Japanese kind of fashion styling kind of thing. And if you did, of course, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye guys. Let's try some clothes on, shall we?
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.